Good morning everyone, my name is Edward Sullivan and today I will be showing y'all what my REU experience has been like here at the Dauphin Island Sea Lab. After picking my spot for my experiment, I'm going to go over into storage and collect a few things that I think will be useful, like buckets and things I can take out with me in the field in order to collect samples, which I'm going to be using Vallisneria for my experiment. I'm so lucky to enjoy this beautiful sunrise as we head to the University of South Alabama to grab the oyster, aka our boat that we'll be using to go out in the field to collect our plants. With the much appreciated help from my lab mates, we hitched up the oyster and set sail to Chocolate Bay, passing the battleship in the distance. We then undock and start sailing to a known grass bed, listening to the soothing sounds of the boat motor. After a short time, we arrive to our destination. We take one last second to appreciate the view before we jump into the water and get to work. For sample collection, me and my lab mates would shovel into the sediment and collect the shoots of Vallisneria, shaking them well to rinse off the dirt. With a successful trip out in the field, it is now time to head back to Dauphin Island and start preparing my plants. From the cooler of my collected shoots, I measure each shoot to 15 centimeters so they can fit in my buckets and cut them so. My recommendation for this process is to bring bug spray if you plan to do it outside like I did. With some off-camera work and help from some lab mates, all of my buckets are set up. We have a total of 120 shoots spread out between 30 buckets to test the effects of dredged sediment on Vallisneria for restoration purposes. For the acclimation period, each bucket is accompanied by a base sediment mixture of sand and Miracle-Gro, 4 shoots of Vallisneria, and air stones attached to an air pump to keep my buckets nice and aerated. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Wish me luck for my experiment.